Welcome back, everybody. In my previous video, I promised say in this video, so I will talk about laboratory food. Now, what be laboratory food? Laboratory food are those food where they produce for lab. Like my previous video, I give an example of a yam that was grown in the lab in Ghana. I also gave an example of meat that was produced in the lab in Singapore. All these things, please, all these, don't quote me anywhere. All these things are allegedly. I have not gone there. I have not confirmed it. But there are videos about this. And also a video that came out and it shows a watermelon without seed. Full fresh watermelon, very ripe without seed. Those things no be GMO. Now these feeds are produced in the lab. How are they produced? Let's use for example, the lab meat that is produced in Singapore. Now the lean muscle or the milk teeth of a baby is used. The cells are being collected there and grown into meat. Or the lean muscle of cows, the lean muscles of goats, the lean muscles of sheep or chicken, right, have been collected. And when they're collected, they are grown in a place called a culture media. The cells are grown in a place called a culture media. A culture media, now that particular place whereby the whole nutrients are contained, the nutrient that can make a cell grow in the right proportion. Remember, underline that word, in the right proportion. I don't know whether they follow what they talk, because when nutrients are introduced into this cell in a culture media, those cells grow. So the lean muscle now grow and become the meat you eat. If you go to Singapore now, they go to the lab and every day they go there, maybe an interval of 2 to 3 days, they go there and cut those meats, cut them and package them and distribute around the country. It will surprise you to know that at this point I'm talking to you now, they even eat meat that has bone, because there's a time where ethnicity people were complaining that no, they want to eat meat that has bone. Now, as I speak to you, these people are producing meat in the lab that has bone inside. If you want to eat cow meat that has beef that has bone in it, you want to crack the bone, they produce it. If you want to eat chicken that has chicken meat that has bone inside, they produce it. The bone grow alongside the meat. It grows very long and they cut it together with the bone. It eats. All those foods, all those meats you see, they are laboratory food. They are laboratory meat. The same thing also applies to the plants. All these things are grown with chemicals in the laboratory. Remember, I always say all these food are not GMOs. They are not all GMOs.